How to download Call of Duty Warzone mobile on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can download the Call of Duty Warzone mobile on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to download the Call of Duty Warzone mobile on your Android, all you have to do is, currently the game has not officially launched, but you can actually still apply for the beta version. Just make sure that you are connected to the internet, and after you make sure of that, just open up your Play Store and then just search for Call of Duty Warzone mobile, and then over here you'll find this game, which is Call of Duty Warzone mobile over here. Now in my case I have already registered for it, but if you have not registered, you'll find the install button like this, and then just hit the install button. This game is actually going to take quite a while, such as many more months still to come, and then launch properly. So if you want this game to launch properly, you have to make sure that you register it, and then after you register it, once this game has been launched, you'll get notified of it, and then you can begin playing this game right away. And here you can see a few trailers and so on. This way you'll be able to actually use and play the Call of Duty Warzone on Android. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.